Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I think most of you may heard an earphone called MDR EX1000, or however, it is discontinued. But I'm now talking about an earphone which was launched in 2010. Yeah, it is MDR EX800ST. What ST mean? It means studio. This is for studio use. Sony has another earphone which has same layout and sound quality with this earphone, and it's called 7550, but it's also discontinued. So this is the only MDR EX earphone series left. The box is so simple. It's only in white color, and it said it doesn't have any warranty for this earphone because this is business use. Okay, let me unbox it. Okay, and then yeah, it's user manual in only Japanese, maybe. Yes, only Japanese word. This is 16 mm dynamic, and it is only 16 ohm, but it supports about 500 MW, so it is really for studio use. Okay, it is from 3 Hz to 28,000 Hz, but the EX1000 is from 3 Hz to 13,000 Hz. It only have one cable. It's 1.6 meter cable. EX1000 used 1.2 meter cable originally, but I switched it into 4.4 balanced. So you can do this on another Sony MDR EX series earphone, but you need to buy an adapter from the website because it's used how it's called. And then this is the earphone, this is the box, this is large size and small size. It has a bit longer cable for this earphone, or called earpiece. Okay, this is made in Japan, same as EX1000. EX1000 and EX800ST use the same material to build the shell. And if you want to change the cable, you need to unlock it, and you can pull the cable out. If you finish changing the cable, you can lock it. Another side. Okay, give me some time to try it, and I will tell you how it feels, or the comparison between EX800ST and EX1000. See you in the next video and goodbye.